Hi, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to give you some of the best practices for bot trading. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to give you some of the best practices if you're going to be bot trading. If you want to read the full article on bot trading, head over to the description, click on the link, it'll take you to my website, and you can get a whole lot more information about bot trading. Advantages, disadvantages, best practices. But in this video, I'm only going to talk about the best practices. So let's take a look. The first one, and I think the most important one, is if you're going to bot trade, make sure you're trading with bots that have been developed properly. That's huge. You can't just pull up a chart, slap a strategy on it, optimize it to death, and then trade whatever works best. That's a terrible approach to building bots. Unfortunately, it's what most people do. They think it's a good idea to optimize and a good idea to get the perfect looking backtest. But that almost never works in real time. If you want to be successful at bot trading, algo trading, system trading, whatever you call it, make sure that you have a proper development process. Meaning, you put in rules, you properly test it, you do the right analysis, and when you do it right, hopefully that bot will continue to keep working. So that's the first best practice. Have a solid development process. The second best practice with bot trading is realize that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of people go into trading in general thinking they're going to double their money every week. I know people who were convinced if they weren't doubling their money every week that they were doing something wrong. That's hard. Getting a good risk-adjusted return is really hard in trading. So don't think that just programming a bot and, it's made money every day for the last 5 years. Don't think it's necessarily going to keep making money like that. Don't think it's a way to get rich quickly. Because when you think you can get rich quickly, you start taking really bad risks. And you start putting all your chips in on a certain trade because, hey, I want to get rich quick. That's not a great way to bot trade. So best practice would be realizing that bots can be a good way to make a good return, but they're not get rich quick. So keep that in mind. The third best practice with bot trading is know when to quit. What do I mean by that? Well, when people get into bot trading, they're always thinking about trading profits and the Lamborghini they're going to buy, or how they're going to upgrade their house and renovate it, and things like that. They never think about what they'll do if the bot starts losing money, or if it breaks and stops working. People don't like to think about that because they don't want it to happen. And there's people out there who say, well, if you think about something, it'll happen. The law of attraction kind of thing. Well, whether or not that law is true or not, you can argue. But the simple fact is, if you don't have a plan for quitting a particular bot or quitting all your bots, you're going to get into trouble sooner or later, because bots quit working. Algos quit working. They might work for years and years and then all of a sudden stop working. Or maybe they'll just go flat. But in any event, you're going to want to know when to quit. That's a best practice. Now, on my website, I have some articles on quitting and that type of thing. But just remember, the key to it is actually having the plan in the first place. How you execute the plan and the specifics of it probably aren't as important as deciding, hey, I'm going to put a rule in place to quit trading this algo, quit trading this bot. Okay, so those are 3 quick best practices that you can use if you're bot trading, if you're algo trading. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. I reply to all comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey. Have a great day.